Netflix is integrated into the Tesla Model Y through theater mode, transforming your car's touchscreen into an entertainment hub when parked. As of early 2026, this feature is a core part of the Tesla experience. Theater mode pauses the driving display when your Model Y is parked. To access it, tap the theater icon on the touchscreen. This is where you'll find the Netflix app, ready for you to sign in and start streaming or download content for offline viewing. First, ensure you have a Tesla account. This is essential for accessing the Tesla App Store and downloading apps on your vehicle's touchscreen. Next, download the Netflix app directly from the Tesla App Store on your vehicle's touchscreen. Navigate to the App Store, search for Netflix, and select Download. Once downloaded, sign in to Netflix using your email and password. The app supports two-factor authentication for added security. Alternatively, you can sign in through the Tesla mobile app on your phone. Your credentials will sync wirelessly to your vehicle, making the process seamless. Once signed in, browse the Netflix library on your Model Y's touchscreen. Select your desired movies or shows. Choose the download option. Downloads are stored on the vehicle's SSD and remain until you manually delete them or a software update clears them. As of late 2025, with Tesla software v12.5, you can store up to 100 movies or episodes. With your Model Y parked and Netflix loaded in theater mode, you can use voice controls through Tesla's AI system. Simply say commands like "Play Stranger Things" to start your favorite shows or movies. Theater mode also integrates seamlessly with Tesla's climate controls. You can adjust the temperature, heating, and ventilation settings directly from the touchscreen to create the perfect viewing environment while watching your content. Please note that only one Netflix account can be linked per vehicle, and simultaneous multi-user profiles are not currently supported. This means all content will be accessed through a single account. A stable Wi-Fi connection is essential for downloading Netflix content on your Tesla Model Y. Make sure you have a strong signal before starting any downloads to avoid interruptions. Occasional app crashes have been reported, particularly during long drives. This may occur due to vehicle motion or temporary connectivity issues. Restarting the Netflix app usually resolves this problem. Ensure your Tesla software is up to date via over-the-air updates to maintain compatibility with Netflix's API. This prevents compatibility issues and ensures smooth operation. Theater mode offers numerous benefits for Tesla Model Y owners. It's perfect for road trips, where it can entertain passengers and reduce travel stress. During lunch breaks in parking lots, it creates a relaxing mobile lounge. And while waiting during charging sessions, it provides convenient entertainment without leaving the vehicle. Consider this real-world example from 2025. A Tesla Model Y owner from California used theater mode to save a 2,000-mile family road trip. With 50 downloaded titles including episodes of The Crown and kids' movies, they avoided screen time arguments. The feature proved battery efficient, using only 5 to 10% battery drain over 8 hours of viewing. According to a 2024 Tesla survey of 5,000 Model Y users, 40% watch Netflix during lunch breaks in parking lots. Users described it as a mobile lounge alternative to traditional break rooms, helping reduce commute stress and stay productive.